Hello, I'm Tejanath Reddy, a ServiceNow developer at Palm. In this video, we are going to explore Now Assist for creators in ServiceNow and understand how AI-powered skills help developers improve productivity and accelerate application development. Before we jump into the features, let's first understand what Now Assist for Creator is. Now Assist for Creators is a collection of AI-powered capabilities in ServiceNow that helps developers automate repetitive tasks, generate summaries, improve workflows, and simplify development activities using generative AI. These skills are designed to help creators focus more on business solutions instead of spending time on manual configurations and repetitive development tasks. Now let's move into implementation and navigation. First, log into your ServiceNow instance. From the left side application navigator, search for Now Assist Admin. Then open Now Assist Skills. In that, select Creators. Now we are inside the Now Assist Skills for Creators section. Here we can see multiple AI powered skills available for developers and creators. Some of the available skills are flow generation, flow recommendation, work notes analysis, app summary generation, client script summarization, code assist summarization, catalog item generation, mobile card generation, data binding generation, and etc. Each skill can be enabled or activated directly from this page. Depends on the skill, you may see options such as turn on, activate skill, deactivate skill. In this instance, we can see flow generation is active. Now let's see a practical demonstration on flow generation. Navigate to Flow Designer. Click on New and select Flow. Here we can see Build with Now Assist option. Instead of manually building the flow, we can provide the instructions in natural language and let AI generate the flow for us. For this demonstration, I will create a flow named P1 Incident Automate Assignment and Notification. In the Now Assist direction field, enter the following prompt. Create a flow that starts when a new instance is created on instance table. Here, the instance table will refer with hashtag. If the priority is one critical and the assigned to field is empty, assign the incident to service desk group. Add a work note saying P1 incident automatically assigned by flow generation. Send a email notification to assignment group containing the incident number, short description, and priority. Log the message P1 incident processed and end the flow. After giving the Now Assist direction, now click on Generate Flow Preview. ServiceNow Now Assist analyzes the prompt and automatically creates the flow structure. The structure includes incident created trigger, priority check condition, assign to empty condition, update record action, add work note action, send email action, log action. Instead of manually configuring every action and condition, the AI generates flow within seconds, significantly reduce development effort. This is one of the biggest advantage of flow generation. Developers can discuss business requirements in plain language and Now Assist automatically converts them into workflow logic. Similarly, other creator skills help with application summarization, code summarization, workflow recommendation, and catalog development generation. The major advantage of using Now Assist for Creator is that it improves development speed, reduces repetitive work, and help developers build solutions more efficiently using AI assistance. That's how Now Assist for Creators enhances the overall development experience in ServiceNow. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.